To end a conversation. Sometimes it can be tricky to find ways to end a conversation. But if we walk away without ending the conversation or by saying goodbye, others may feel confused. I forgot I need to finish my homework before dinner. This is why it's important to learn the different ways to end a conversation. We can find a polite way to end the conversation, no matter the situation. I need to leave, but how do I end the conversation? If it's not an emergency, we can let others finish talking or wait for a pause in the conversation before ending a conversation. Gotta go. I'll wait for a pause in the conversation. And that's what I did over the weekend. Ezra finished the story. This is a good time to say goodbye. Then, make a final connected comment to show that you were listening. Depending on what the other person was sharing or talking about, you can say something like, "That's funny," or "Nice," or "Sounds good." Nice. Next, let the person know you're ending the conversation by saying something like, "Well, I have to get going now," or "It was so nice talking to you, but I have to go." "It was nice talking to you, but I have to go and do my homework." Okay. Finally, end the conversation by using one of these 4 ways. "See you later," "Talk to you soon," "Nice talking to you," or "Talk to you later." Talk to you later. Bye. To end a conversation, wait for a pause in the conversation. Make a final connected comment. Let the person know you are ending the conversation. Use one of these 4 ways to end the conversation. "See you later." "Talk to you soon." "Nice talking to you." "Talk to you later." Let's watch how Aiden does at ending a conversation.
And then my teammate passed me the ball, but one of the other players knocked right into me. I was so frustrated. Gotta go. Bye.
What happened there? Let's see what everyone is thinking.
I don't know why Aiden got up and left in the middle of my story. Is he coming back? Was it something I said?
I need to ask Mrs. Thomas a question.
Amir felt confused, and his feelings were hurt. Aiden got up and left without politely ending the conversation with Amir. Let's watch what it looks like when Aiden tries again.
And then my teammate passed me the ball, but then another player knocked right into me. I was so frustrated.
I need to ask the teacher a question. But I should end this conversation with Amir first. I'll wait for a pause in the story before I say something. I would be frustrated too. I actually need to go ask Mrs. Thomas a question.
No worries.
Talk to you later.
Nice talking.
How did Aiden do that time? Let's see what everyone is thinking.
I like talking with Aiden. I can finish my story with him later.
I'm glad Amir understood that I needed to end the conversation.
Everyone felt happy that time. Aiden did a great job ending the conversation by waiting for a pause, making a final connected comment, letting Amir know that he was ending the conversation, and ending the conversation in another way besides just saying bye. To end a conversation, wait for a pause in the conversation. Make a final connected comment. Let the person know you are ending the conversation. Use a conversation ending phrase. "See you later." "Talk to you soon." "Nice talking to you." Talk to you later.